Math Guy Steve. Let's try solving this system of equations. So when solving a system of equations, there's a few different methods that we have to solving systems. We have substitution, addition, we can even graph or use matrices. But here, let's try substitution. It's usually one of the quicker ways to try and solve a system. So like here, when we're trying to use substitution, we want to get one variable on one side by itself and then substitute or plug it in to the other equation. Okay, so like here in this bottom equation, let's try to get x by itself, right? So to do that, we would say subtract 6y from both sides. That gives us 6x equals negative 6y. Dividing by 6, we get x equals negative y. And now we're going to substitute what that x is into the other equation. In other words, plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Okay, so plug it in. Let's see what we get. So I'll plug in. So if x is negative y, this gives us negative 7 times that x, so times negative y, plus 2y equals 18. Okay? And now we have one equation, one variable. A lot easier equation to solve. Okay, so like here, negative 7 times negative y, 7y plus 2y equals 18. All right, okay. Combining like terms, we get 9y equals 18. Okay, divided by 9, y equals 2. There we go, okay. And then we find the x, so that's the y. Again, we're trying to find the xy combo that makes both equations true. So if that's the y, to find the x, we plug that back in, right? So if y is 2, then x is negative y. So x is negative of that 2, okay? So we found the xy combo that makes both equations true, all right? Which is not too bad. Oh, don't forget that Nike step, that check step, okay. So we can always check this by plugging the xy combo into both equations and making sure we get a true statement. Let's try it. So let's check it. Let's plug it into the first equation. Let's see. If I plug in for x, I'm plugging in negative 2. For y, I'm plugging in 2. And so that gives us what? Okay, that's negative 7 times negative 2 plus 2 times 2. And we're seeing, is that equal to 18? Do I get a true statement? Let's see. Negative 7 times negative 2 is 14. Plus 2 times 2 is 4. Is that equal to 18? Yep, 18 equals 18. That's been true all my life. Okay, that's brilliant. We have to plug into both, okay? Let's try plugging in negative 2. That's 6 times negative 2 plus 6 times 2. Is that equal to 0? Is that true? Well, that's negative 12 plus 12. Is that equal to 0? Yep, 0 equals 0. Okay, so not too bad. So we're solving a system of equations. This substitution method is pretty handy. Okay, all right. So we get one of the variables on one side by itself, then substitute or plug it in to the other equation, and then we get one equation, one variable solve, and then back substitute to find the other variable. Okay, and always do that check step, Nike step. Okay, all right. Always remember, math is everywhere.